Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm gonna share with you my first purchase from Cleef Arpels, and this was my birthday gift. Was in February. Sorry for the grandfather clock. It is 3 o'clock right now, so yeah, if it doesn't bother you, then we can continue. Okay, so today is gonna be triple unboxing, 3 unboxings, which I got as the first purchase from Cleef Arpels, and I'm super excited because there's no VCA stores in Georgia. Actually, there's a small one in Neiman Marcus, but I never checked it out, and it's because it's my first time, so I really want to go into actual store. So when I was in Las Vegas for my birthday in February, then I got these, and I felt so lucky when I could get something that is very hard to get. I felt very fortunate to meet the SA for the first time. She is amazing, lovely. I actually filmed the unboxings a while ago, so I've been using the pieces, but today I just decided to sit down and film the introduction for the first purchase from VCA. There are not many videos about these pieces, so I'm very excited to share my happiness with you. So hope you enjoyed it, and if you do, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Let's dive in it right now. This is the first box. Look at how beautiful the wrapping and the iconic ribbon. Inside the white box is the green box. And here it is. I'm presenting to you a ring. This ring is in size vintage from Alhambra collection. It is in 18 karat gold, and it is $3,550 plus tax. This ring is the first piece that I saw at VCA store when I visited. I tried on the bigger size and decided to get the smaller size. This is in size 51. It wasn't available, so I had to wait for it to be shipped to me. Look at the back. The size inside the band. Look at how shiny it is. And you can see the facets, the cut, very unique. This second box is actually a surprise piece that my SA showed me. I was trying on few pieces, and the SA told me to let her check in the back for something. Then she came back out with this piece. Look at how gorgeous. These are lucky Alhambra earring 2 motifs. These are $6,800 plus tax. I tried it on at the store and loved it. The 4-leaf clovers are in mother of pearl stones, and the butterflies are tiger eyes. And this is in yellow gold. The mother pearl is in vintage size. The lovely SA told me that this piece is very hard to come by. Literally. The other SA was waiting for me to say no, so he could have this piece for his own client. But I said yes. So here it is. I'm so happy that I made this decision. Every time I wear it, I feel very happy, and maybe because of the lucky clovers and the butterflies, they make my heart sing every time I look at them. And here is the coloring book and pencils. My daughter was there with me, so the SA sent it as a gift to her because we have the same birthday month. Let's go through the books. Look at the pages with different prints and designs. It is just so beautiful. I'm not sure if my daughter gonna use it. There's some stickers too. Unicorns. Beautiful. Such a lovely book. And here is a tube of pencils, color pencils. Now let me share with you the first bag. This bag was the first one my SA gave me at store. At that time, I didn't take anything home. So she just gave me this bag with something inside, and I didn't know what it was, but it is actually the candle. Yes, it is a beautiful candle with a lovely smell. Yeah, so this was the first bag because it was for my birthday. So she just gave me as a birthday gift, something special for my birthday. Yeah. Love it. She is so amazing. And then she gave me this one just about because all the pieces was shipping home, and because I always want to take picture at store, so I I asked her for this bag and I took picture with it. Then she just let me keep it because when they ship out the pieces, they don't really include the shopping bag. So if you want the bag when you were at store, and if the piece shipping home, then ask her him for a shopping bag. I just for decoration, but I just want to have a full experience. By the time I got home, I could get the first two pieces, but the third one. And here is the last box of this luxury jewelry haul. Let's reveal the piece in here. Oh, look at this. This is vintage Alhambra gilt necklace. It is $3,550 plus tax. I had to wait for the necklace because the necklace it wasn't available at store, so I had to wait a few weeks for it. At first, I asked her to lengthen it, add 2 centimeters. Because after I told her, then I just contact her back and just said no, just keep the original length. This is the piece that I've been wearing, and I want to share how it looks on me. As an original length, I could make it a little shorter if I want. This is how it looks on me. What do you think? It looks good, right? At the moment, I'm wearing with the Chanel earring. Yeah, but it's gold, so it's matte. I love it. This is in 18 karat gold. It's very shiny, like diamond. I love shiny things. So every time I look in the mirror, I keep looking at this one before I looking at my face. I planned to come in for one piece, but actually came out with 3 pieces for my first shopping visit ever at Van Cleef and Arpels. Since my birthday was after Lunar New Year and also Valentine's Day, I made this purchase as a memory of those special occasions. And that is it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up if you like it. And consider subscribing to my channel. Hit the notification down below to get notified every time I upload a new video. There will be another unboxing coming soon. And it's gonna be something related to VCA. This year I'm not into bag as much as the last year. I'm really into fine jewelry, so there will be few fine jewelry unboxings coming. So after this, because it's been few months and I've been getting few pieces. After this, these 3 pieces, I got a few more. So I'm very excited to share with you. Hope to see you back in my next video. Bye-bye.